What's up, what's up? As you can see, I just went shopping. I was out of food. I just have been putting it off, so. Anyways, getting ready to make a peppered steak here. Sounded really good. Got 3 big steaks, chopped this one in half. This is easily a portion. Actually, it wasn't bad. It was like $8.98, so that was a pretty good deal. And my 100-piece Dremel rotary toolkit came in, so now I can start grinding all the plastic out of the bottom of this. So that'll be an upcoming project here that we're going to do. And for right now, we're just going to slide that there. Make sure I don't forget about it. Put that underneath the microwave. And then we're just waiting for the quad to come in so I can attach the parts to it after we're done. So let's actually kick this burner on here. I'm going to go ahead and kick it right on 8 to start off with, and we'll turn the heat down as we go. I already peppered this side, so we're going to go ahead and turn that over and pepper the other side. See you guys in a minute. Yes. Yeah, look at the steam. Oh my god, man. That looks delicious. Super delicious. Oh, steak goodness. I should grab my macro lens and get a close-up of that. Well, they weren't kidding. They said it comes with a 100-piece sanding kit, and they were absolutely correct. This thing is packed to the top. I opened it up here. I didn't get a chance to look at the directions, but it's actually a pretty sturdy little unit, man. It feels well built. It's crazy. I'm guessing if I push that, that's how I can change the tips. So this should be, this is actually my first Dremel. I've had to buy heat guns and all sorts of stuff in the past to do my quadcopter projects with. But first time I've had to purchase a Dremel, so this will be fun. Well, I'm going to tear into the steak. I'll see you guys in a minute. I've got plastic all down the front of me here. It's all over the floor. I've taken out quite a bit of plastic now. And it's actually starting to feel much lighter. I've got it all over my face. It's all over the top of the cutting tool here. So as you can see, I've done one side. Do you see how much thinner the left side is compared to the right side? I have taken out a ton of plastic. I also hollowed out the front here way more, as you can see. I've removed a ton of plastic from the front of it, so now I'm going to go ahead and start on the right side here. And that's been using the cutting tool here. I've just been basically doing round circles and cutting big chunks out that don't need to be there. So that's been working pretty good. It's actually a pretty efficient little tool for 20 bucks. It sounds good, works perfect. No problems with that, and it came with 100 accessories. That's pretty crazy. So after I get through with the cutting tools, which I'm only going to use one here, we'll go ahead and get some of the sanding stones out to touch up some of the finer points, and then we'll get the little sanding pads out to give it a nice little, or here we go, sanding pads, give it a nice little finish, and that'll be some light touching up, but I've removed a ton of plastic from that one side, and managed to carve out some big chunks in the center and on the front there, so moving right along. Alright guys, fortunately I've run out of time here. I got to get ready for work, but touched up the tires a little bit, cut around the braces that I built best I could, and then like I said, all this will be done with a finished sanding pad, so should make all that look a lot better. Remove that huge chunk of plastic that was in the center there. Unfortunately, I would love to be able to remove that back chunk. See that big brace in the back there? I'd love to be able to get that, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. It's like built into the piece here. I would love to, and I may just cut some of it away, you know, because it's not going to go through it. I may just cut some of it away to take out the whole half of a chunk and just leave the other half there. But yeah, it's coming along. It's starting to feel a lot lighter than it was, so that's good. We may have a flying DeLorean pretty soon. I'm excited. All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Drone worship. I'm out. Toodaloo.
Give yourself to the dark side.